Nowadays, we all want our skin to glow, but that glow also should come with little effort and in short time, isn't it? Because nowadays we are all so busy and hardly get any time for our skin. So to solve that problem, I have come up with this Himalaya sheet mask which can give you the healthy glow and smooth skin in no time. Hey everyone, this is Mousumi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another skincare video of mine. So in today's video, I will be sharing my review on Himalaya sheet mask and I will be also showing you guys how to use our sheet mask properly. And at the same time, I will be showing you guys the benefits of a sheet mask, especially of the Himalaya sheet mask. So let's get into the video right now. So let's find out first, there are so many sheet masks in the market, then why the Himalaya sheet mask? Because Himalaya sheet masks are made with 100% natural herbs like Mulethi, blueberries, strawberries, Edelweiss Plant, and not only that, they have hyaluronic acid in them, and without any chemical, paraben or sulphate. These sheet masks are biodegradable as well, so you will have an eco-friendly skincare with Himalaya sheet mask. And now let's find out how to use our sheet mask properly. So first take out the sheet mask from the packet, and I will be using this Youth Eternity sheet mask as my face is looking a little dull because of no sleep, and we'll be placing it on my clean face. I know you may find it bigger than your face size, but you can cut it like that and fix the mask on your face, or you can fold it also sidewise to set it. Now keep it for at least 10 to 15 minutes. It's like a skin conditioner, so apply it after cleansing your face only with a cleanser. And now after 10 to 15 minutes, remove it. Don't wash your face, rather massage the serum into your skin and let it absorb into your skin. And see the result, guys. See, you can get a color-like glow sitting at your home within 20 minutes only. Isn't my face glowing brighter than my future? Yeah, look at my face, guys. So this eco-friendly skincare gives you an ultimate hydration which maintains the pH balance of your skin and your skin keeps shining. So they have varieties of sheet masks with different benefits. The first one is this Fresh Start and Oil Clear Strawberry Sheet Mask which controls your oiliness and at the same time it hydrates your skin. Next I have Clear Complexion Brightening Mulethi Sheet Mask. We all know that Mulethi is good for removing your dark spots, dark circles and pigmentation, and also it brightens up the skin. Next we have this Fresh Start and Oil Clear Blueberry Sheet Mask. It also controls your oil by reviving the dark skin. And lastly, I have this Youthful Eternity Sheet Mask with Edelweiss Plant which gives plump, moisturized and smooth skin, and the result stays up to 1 week, so you can use this sheet mask once a week. And now I will be sharing with you guys what not to do and what to do while applying a sheet mask. Never keep the sheet mask more than 20 minutes, otherwise the hydration will be lost from your skin. Do not throw away the packet after applying the sheet mask. Apply the excess serum present in the packet on your hands or legs because it gives an intense hydration to your body skin as well. Never wash your face after you apply the sheet mask. Rather massage it for better blood circulation. Don't use a sheet mask twice because the sheet mask absorbs the dirt from your skin, so it's unhygienic. Never ever store your sheet mask under the sunlight. Always keep your sheet mask in a dry and cool place. So this is it, guys. The result is in front of you. So let me know in the comment section if this video was helpful for you guys. And don't forget to give a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I have put down the link of the product in the description box below. So don't forget to check it out. See you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.